Well, this will be my second attempt at trying to show you how to put together your brochure, which is due at the end of this week, April the 16th. So let's start with getting resources and then how to actually put your brochure together. So I'll share my screen, and I am at Canvas. One thing I want you to look at, very first thing, actually when you log in, you'll come to this, but before you put together your brochure, I want you to take a look at the rubric that I'll be using to grade it. To get to the rubric, that's under files, and you know that's where I put most everything. Brochure rubric. It's so incredibly simple. It is not very intricate at all. So what I'm looking for is a brochure that's going to address the 3 developmental stages, the first year, toddlers, and preschoolers. So when you're collecting facts, and I will go to an example of the facts in just a moment. Hopefully you're going to do 12 or more, and it's not that difficult to do them. And I want you to add a little bit more to the facts that you find, and this will make better sense once I demonstrate it. Professional resources. So actually, folks, this will be the website itself, the URL, and the name of the website. Whenever you put together a brochure and all you have are a whole bunch of websites, I don't know what they go to unless I click on each one. And we don't want whoever sees this brochure to have to do that. Images, this could be pictures, or it could be clip art. Writing errors. Make sure that you're very, very careful with what you write. If you need for someone to proofread it for you, I suggest that you use CAL, our Center for Academic Learning. It's in Gurley Hall, and they will be more than happy to glance over it and offer you some sort of suggestions if need be. So I'll close out of that and just go back to our modules, and once again, the brochure is due this Saturday at 11:59 p.m. Now, facts. Where do I get the facts from? So let me, oops, you don't want that. Let me go here. And what I did was a simple search. And what did I type in? I just typed in child developmental stages as my keywords. This is what popped up. And I'm going to go to child development milestones, ages, and stages, and get a whole lot of good stuff here. So I'm going to look at the first year. And if I scroll down, I have a list. What is the baby going to be able to do? And I've gone through several of these websites, bookmark them. You can, here again, find out a lot of different stuff by doing those web searches. Okay, now I'm starting to collect my information. Where do I put it? So that involves Microsoft Word, and Microsoft Word has a wonderful collection of templates. Pretty much the easiest one is one that's already set up for education. So I'm going to create that. And by the way, there are 2 screens here, so make sure that you get both of them. And for my professional resources, I'll just put that there. Professional resources. And the first one, let's go back to the one I took you to. Child Development Guide, Ages and Stages. I'll just copy that. Go back to my Word document. Of course, I'm going to have to adjust the font. I'm pretty sure of that. Right. About 12. So this is the name of the website that I went to. Let me make that number 1. Okay. Now we have the name. What do I need? I need the URL. What I looked at was the first year. This is the URL I want. So we just copy it. Hop back to Word and oops, paste it in. Okay. Then I'm ready for site number 2, and so on. Very, very easy to do. I think you can come up with 8 of them quite easily. Now, what are they going to do? I'm going to ignore all of this. And I'm going to, let's see, the toddler years. And of course, you'll go through and you'll clean it up and make it look pretty and all that other wonderful things. So let's see, going back here, what did I find for toddler years? Dances with music. I'm going to use that one. Go back here, what did the child do? The child dances with music. Okay. Add a little bit more to it. Dances with music. I'm advising you to dance with your child, David. Then I'm ready for my next item. And I might find I don't like anything here, so I'm going to go to another website. Anyways, this is how simple it is. Just use the brochure template. You'll find those in Microsoft Word, or you can also get templates off the internet. It doesn't matter what you use, but make sure it is a brochure template. Okay. I would also encourage you to choose some of your own pictures instead of just using the template pictures. All right. Now, going back and getting out of this sharing, we're going to stop. That's it, folks. That's about all it takes to put a brochure together. So I do encourage you to, if you've not already started collecting more material from the draft that you sent in to me, go ahead and work on that so that you're going to be ready by the end of the week to submit it. Once again, if you have any questions or whatnot, feel free to contact me and I will help you the best I can. Take care.